What is VSL Studio? VSL Studio is an AI-powered system that can understand the content you feed it and automatically create high-converting sales videos. It applies a proven marketing framework based on the specific content it's given to create maximum converting videos. Simply upload a PDF or document, paste a web page link. In less than 10 minutes, the system generates a complete, done-for-you sales video, complete with music, graphics, and avatars. Not just a video animation, it's conversion automation. Have you seen them? All the other video tools that simply merge slides, stock footage, and a voiceover. Of course you have. VSL Studio is nothing like that. Our AI doesn't just make videos. It builds persuasive sales arguments using proven VSL frameworks used by top marketers. Based on the content you upload, VSL Studio intelligently chooses the perfect psychological structure for your video for maximum conversions. Below are the 4 different video frameworks our AI will apply once it interprets the very best for your video based on the content you feed it. PAS, problem, agitate, solve. For pain-driven offers, coaching, consulting, and fix this problem now, sales angles. AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action. Ideal for product launches, feature showcases, and mass-market offers. Star Story solution perfect for transformations, testimonials, supplements, health, finance, and narrative-driven offers. Slap, stop, look, act, purchase. High urgency, limited time promos, Black Friday specials, and flash sales. The AI reads your content, understands the emotional tone, detects the offer type, and automatically chooses the structure proven to convert best. That's why VSL Studio videos don't just look great, they sell. And there you have it, customer heartstring-pulling video in about 10 minutes. And they're so easy to create. Step 1, select your video type. Choose from any of the 12 video style categories. Categories are limited for commercial, unlimited for bundle. Dynamic stock footage. Hand-painted 2 D3D hybrid animation, papercraft stop motion, infographic motion graphics, 2D character animation, whiteboard animation, digital cutout animation, fluid morphing animation, watercolor ink reveal animation, doodle sketch animation, simple line art animation, comic storyboard style. Step 2. Upload your content. VSL Studio's flexibility is unmatched. Users can create videos in any of these ways. Add a business or sales page link. Type a prompt describing what you want. Upload a PDF or doc file. Or manually create your own scenes, unlocked in Pro Upgrade. Step 3. Select video settings, voice type, video length, video resolution. Click Create AI. Analyses and builds VSL. It reads your content, extracts key benefits and implements emotional hooks and perfect call to action based on these 4 proven marketing frameworks. Now, let's see some of the videos done by VSL Studio.
Staring at gray walls, drowning in spreadsheets and endless Zoom calls. It's time to shatter the routine and escape to the vibrant, high desert wild. Feel the wind on your face as you race across the untamed New Mexico landscape. Hop inside our custom 4x4 beasts built to crush gravel and conquer any terrain. We climb steep red rock faces that standard tour buses can only dream about. Journey deep into silent canyons to discover ancient secrets carved in stone. Witness the sky explode into purple and gold as the sun sets over the mesa. Our rugged, expert local guides ensure your adventure is safe and unforgettable. Join thousands of thrill seekers who rated us 5 stars for pure adrenaline. Don't wait for adventure. Book your Red Rock Roamers tour now. Let's roll.
Kitchens come alive with chaotic laughter and the scent of spices. The golden centerpiece arrives, inviting everyone to gather at the table. We pause to share gratitude for family, friends, and the moment. Full bellies and warm hearts. This is the beauty of Thanksgiving.